This rare cat discovery proves extinct animals are thriving in ecosystems they claim are dying. 6 wild cats found at impossible elevations where global warming should make survival impossible. Conservation organizations suppress discoveries because endangered species generate billions in funding. Research teams are sworn to secrecy when findings contradict established climate narratives. The Pallas' cat thrives at 4,200 meters, proving ecosystem resilience they hide. Climate researchers buried this evidence because it destroys their funding justification. How many extinct species are actually thriving in areas they claim are environmental disasters? Follow me for more suppressed wildlife discoveries that threaten climate funding.